Hi guys, this is Nicole. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some Dalgona candies. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. This is how I'm going to make the Dalgona candy. 1 tablespoon of sugar, and on a very low fire I'm going to stir continuously with a chopstick until the sugar has all melted. When all the sugar melted, I'm going to add just a little bit of baking soda and I'm going to mix. And now I'm going to pour it into some cookies cutter to give the candies nice shape. I'm gonna let them on this parchment paper until they harden. After each time, wash the ladle very well and proceed to make a new one. These are some of the Dalgona candies I made. Now they are ready to be used in any cake as a topping. They are hard. You can see that they are hard like candies. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you'll give this recipe a try.